Hey Posh Partners, Tanya here. Welcome to the channel. Hello everybody. Hope everyone's doing well. Today I'm working on some Valentine's Day gift baskets, and this time I'm using a box. And this is an example of taking Dollar Tree items to accessorize and to fill out your gift baskets. And so what I'm going to use, I'm going to need some tape, just a little bit. I need some gift tissue. Got this from Dollar Tree. Got this bow. Got this ribbon from Dollar Tree. Just made a little bow here. Using this box. Got this box after Christmas clearance from Dollar Tree. They got these for 63 cents. And in the box, I got some of my recipients' favorite things. We got some cologne or perfume here. A couple of years ago when hubby got me that gift, the duffel bag and perfume and all of that, you know, the recipient liked that perfume. Got a cute little crossbody, a new purse. It's a new purse, has a gold chain. So that's what they like, a quilted bag. And a watch. And the watch, and then it has like expandable bracelets to accessorize it. So we don't have to get real crazy with this one. This is just placing it in the bag. And I wanted a box where everything, when the recipient's not using it, they can just keep everything in the box and like put it in their closet, you know. And so just do that. I want to see if this gift tissue will cover everything. Let's see. These travel easily when you're doing gift boxes. Let's see if we can do that. You know, like if you're sending it out. Just watch in here. This is how I send a lot of when I crochet something for someone. That's why I like the boxes, you know, then just tape it neatly, something like that. You can do it like that so that the recipient won't have to tear it. Okay, so we can, you know, just do that. You can put your company sticker here. Do something like that. Oh, let me take this out because it's not going to work. This tissue isn't going to work. Or you can go on in line. I think it'll add some elegance to your box. To line it with this stuff. To just put it on the bottom. Okay guys, I think it's a good idea to add a little tissue just to the bottom so it won't be like, you know, just a bare cardboard bottom. That adds a nice little touch. And then, so you don't have to fuss. When you have hundreds of baskets you're doing, you don't need to do a lot of fussing. But when they open it up, they'll still see that. That's pretty. And then I'm going to take the perfume out the box. Place it in there, and you can, especially if you're selling, you know, out in the public, you know, people need to see everything. And put the, see where I put the I'm sorry, guys. And put the watch in there. And it kind of keeps that stable. And take your tape. I'll take my tape. This is just what I do. If I'm selling at a pop-up shop, you know, everything needs to be visible. And just place it like this. Okay, and it's very stable. Okay. You put a glue dot on the heel. Okay, so how quick was that? So once you choose the right items, you can do it like that. Now for it to really fit into a gift bag, I'm gonna have to lay it down, but they'll see it. That's cute. This is really the best way that I found. If you're in transit, you're moving stuff around. We'll lay right there. Okay. This is cello wrap, guys. I'm not going to use this piece, it's tearing, but this is what I use, and I was trying to see which type of packaging I want. So I just wanted to share with you an idea. That tape isn't as strong as the other tape, but get some strong tape. Glue it out to work better. Okay, I forgot to add the top. So put the top at the bottom for more stability, and then when the client or the recipient gets their thing, they can get their gift, they can put their items in, store them in the bag here, store them in the box. And then you're going to get the appropriate bag or cello wrap. And this is maybe for someone that, you know, isn't into, you know, frilly hearts, and they don't need red and pink. You know, this is a little more sophisticated, but it still has hearts on it. It's gold. as far as wrapping, I laid it down because you don't have to do a lot of wrapping gymnastics to get it. So just make it tight, or shrink wrap, of course, especially for something like this. Shrink wrap will be a great option if you don't want this perfume to shift. And then this is just like a horizontal bow. And I wanted this bow horizontal because I didn't want it to cover up anything. So then what we're going to do, when I ship this out, it's going to be, really, really refined. These are I like to share my ideas, things I'm coming up with you guys. And then once I see yeah, I like that, I think that'll work, then I can, make any adjustments. I pretty much figured out how I want to go about it. But, you can do it like that, or you can just not do any little fan. I think that's more sophisticated. Wrap this up like a box, like you would any other present, with clear wrap. And then just put the bow on top. No little fan. I think that's a lot more sophisticated. Okay, so this is more of a higher end. And, whatever you have, just utilize, adjust, calculate how much you spent to create this. And how much time you put into it. And I'm trying to do things that don't require a lot of time, that don't take a lot of time to put together, but that are high quality. And so then you just calculate your cost, how much time, and then make your decide how much you want to charge for it. Everybody's different. Everyone's going to get different pricing. All right, okay, guys. So if you like this type, and this can be used for Mother's Day. If no one takes this for, which I think quite a few people will. If nobody will take this for Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, here we come. Birthdays. All right. I sent this out to my email list and my text list, my text people, and they like it. So I got a couple of these going out. All right. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Thank you for your support. And if you got any inspiration from this content, I'd appreciate it if you hit that thumbs up button and hit that bell notification if you would like to subscribe, and hit that subscribe button if you like my vibe. All right. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye. Bye, Mom. Yeah, I think, guys, if you have some shrink wrap this. That'll be awesome. Pretty. Thank you.